All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 with power windows, power door locks. It's got 35,000 miles. And best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Some minimum scuffings over here. Some more scuffing here. Boom, boom, boom. This looks okay. Got some scuffings over here, very light. Your hood looks okay. Does have a dent here. Some paint off on that. Fender looks good. Front driver's a steel wheel. And your tire thread is 8/32. This door has some heavy scratching here, and some more there, and some more here. It does have a dent down here, as you can see. It's on the rocker itself. We're down by the rocker there. Boom. See if my thing will focus. Boom. Trying to focus. There it is. All right, just so you guys can see. Heavy scratching here, some more there, a bit here, some more here, some more here. On the thing is scuffed up as well. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is under 5/32, above 4. You got power windows, power door locks. It's missing the striker piece from there. This is your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. We jump into his vehicle. Turn it on for you. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out picture for more details. Got your AM/FM CD player right here. I'm sorry, AM/FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. Got some cup holders down here as well. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, and you issued your miles of 35,105. Very, very nice. Keeping it moving. You got some scuffing here in this corner. The rest of the rear bumper looks pretty good. Some more scuffing there, and some more here. Check out the inside. These doors do swing out all the way, so you can see this one. There is damages here on the panel. I don't have many that don't have that. So, likewise on this side. Of course, they do open up all the way. Boom. Let me show you what the inside of the vehicle looks like. Oh, so as you can see, the lights on top are all on, so that's a good thing. Inside here, we do have some dents on the wheel well there, but you know, nothing big time. Same thing here, a couple of dings, more dings over there. That's just, you know, obviously for people putting stuff in here. So, just so you know, gotta get chippy here. This paneling, like I said. Alright, we look good. This quarter looks pretty decent. Thought I had a little dent here. See, it's like a fist-sized dent here or something. A small fist dent there. It's hard to see. I just caught it now from a glare, really. Scuffings on this molding piece, as you can see it there and there. All right, here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread back here is under 4/32. It looks like. Double check it. Yep, under 4/32. The rest of this door, sliding door, looks good. Cool. What your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. All right. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. This door closed, right? That's just crazy. All right, this quarter here, I don't know if I showed you guys, but that is some scuffing there on these molding pieces there and there. And here's your rear passenger steel wheel. front passenger steel wheel and your tire third over 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Yep, over 730 seconds. Boom, boom. My lights on top are working. My lights up front are working. The car is running. It's on. Everything is fabulous. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ram 1500. Ram ProMaster 1500 with 35,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.